Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the web hosting on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. At this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on on GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial is we would like to get the web hosting on GoDaddy. So once you are at this page, make sure to click at this second option, which is websites and hosting. Click on it once, one left click, and of course, then go into this hosting simply and click at web hosting. Of course, as you can see here, you have like a lot of stuff if you want. If you want like especially the WordPress hosting, you can click on this. And if you want to manage your WooCommerce stores, you can click on this, or all the hosting options, you can click on this. If you want just the web hosting, you can click on this, and that should take you into this page. Here, as you can see, they will provide you with the plans that they have for the web hosting. As you can see, they recommend this for you because most of people use it and it's most efficient and it's not even that expensive, just $13 per month. So of course you can read all of that what the plan gives you. And of course you can get even better or less than this if you want, or whatever your budgets can handle. So once you actually click at buy now, you will find everything on your cart. You can simply click at your cart, then go buy it simply. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.